Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this quick video I'm going to share with you like the Bulenox review and what are the things that you have to be aware of if you want to use it. So first thing first, you're gonna have the account tiers where you're gonna have like 50k, 100k, 150k, 250k, and you have like monthly here the price, and then on each you're gonna have like a profit target, which is going to be like 3k, 6k, 9k, 15k, but let's focus, let's say we're gonna go for the 100k, and you're gonna draw down up to 3,000, and first 10,000 you're gonna have 100%. That's something that you can actually get. Now when we're gonna dive further and you would like to use Bulenox with some kind of like bonus, there is going to be also a link down below in the description. So first thing first, the payout process is easy and simple, but there is like a trick that I'm going to share with you. Also the low cost and relative accessibility entry comparing to some other firms. So you have like from small to large, and you have also the activation or reset fees are like modest. Now good flexibility. Do you have like multiple platforms supported? You're gonna have like NinjaTrader here, so that's great too. And when you're gonna go even further, you're gonna have then you're gonna have like 90-10 the split profit. So what are the things that are like the cons that you have to be aware of? This is like very important. So some people that I've read, they complain that after a few payouts they experience difficulties like denials or vague rules being applied, like flipping or scalping. And then the support reliability is also like not that great. That's something that was like mentioned. So then if you want to scale like more accounts, that means they're gonna have also higher activation fees and stricter scrutiny. And that's something that you also have to be aware of. So if you want to use it like for like a low capital trader, just abbreviation activation fees to get funded. And also if you want to like follow the firm rules, that's also great. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching. And have a great day and goodbye.